Good morning, folks. This is Greg with Southern Star Roofing. We're here in Asheville this morning, and our guys are roofing a house for a customer that had storm damage and it was an insurance claim. So I just wanted to show you pictures of the job in progress, and we're re-roofing the house and the garage. So I'm going to let you take a look at what our guys are doing here. So here's the house. They've already got it tore off and all the underlayment put in already. So, and we are going to reflash the chimney for the customer, so we still have to remove the old metal and reflash the customer for the, or reflash the chimney for the customer. And then the guys are also over there on the garage roof, and they're removing the shingles right now on that one, and they'll remove the old felt paper and put new underlayment on. And this one's got the old wood tongue and groove deck, and so this is what the guys have going on. So this is a house here in Asheville, and just wanted to show you what we're doing. So if you have any roofing needs, you can reach us at southernstarroofing.com, or you can give us a call. And we have locations in Asheville, North Carolina, Charlotte, North Carolina, and Greenville, South Carolina. You folks have a great day.